So you want to get into cryptocurrency and you want to convert Bitcoin or other tokens to cash. You've probably heard all the success stories about people making millions of dollars by getting in early and selling when prices are high. Perhaps you have buddies who make a lot of money through cryptocurrencies. Everyone enters the cryptocurrency market to make money, but not everyone succeeds, so you have to proceed cautiously. Many people either give up or lose money because they do not adequately understand how to generate money with cryptocurrencies. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with cryptocurrency as a beginner in 2022. Hey everyone, my name is Kyle and I run Whiz channel, where I teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy. Just leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. The first and probably the most popular method we're going to discuss is holding. This method is arguably the best approach for newbies. This is because hodling simply refers to the process of purchasing a cryptocurrency and holding onto your tokens over time. This is similar to purchasing stocks and holding them for several years. And you won't have to worry about short-term price changes, especially if you invest in well-established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In May 2021, for example, Ethereum was priced at $4,300 per token. Only 1 month later, the price of Ethereum had fallen to $2,100. If you had panicked and sold your ETH tokens, you would have suffered a 50% loss. Had you been hodling, however, by November of the same year, Ethereum was trading at roughly $4,900 per coin. This is one of the main examples. The essential idea here is that a long-term approach is the most successful way to invest in cryptocurrencies. Again, in order to hodl your assets as effectively as possible, you must find a good exchange. eToro fits the description here, as it allows you to invest in 60 leading cryptocurrencies for as little as $10 with industry-leading costs. Furthermore, this exchange has been approved by various regulatory organizations in the United States, so you'll be able to hodl safely and securely in the long run. Another very good exchange is Binance. Binance lets you swap between various crypto assets seamlessly, and you can also do cool things like set price alerts and analyze charts. Another method is crypto yield farming and lending. Yield farming and lending are two other beginner-friendly ways to generate money with cryptocurrencies right now. Both of these investments approaches allow you to earn interest passively, but they do it in slightly different ways. To begin with, crypto yield farming is the process of lending your unused tokens to a liquidity pool. You will be providing much-needed liquidity to decentralized exchanges in the vast majority of cases. PancakeSwap and Uniswap are two market leaders on the Binance and Ethereum blockchain networks respectively. When you deposit money into a liquidity pool, it is usually locked away for a set period of time. You will also be paid interest for as long as the tokens are in liquidity pool. In many cases, the greater the APY offered by the pool, the newer and less liquid the token. When it comes to crypto lending, this is similar to the concept I mentioned earlier. It involves depositing your digital tokens into a savings account. As a result, your tokens will be loaned to others who need money. It is critical to choose your preferred platform intelligently when engaging in crypto lending. This is due to constant dangers of debtors defaulting. Next method is to participate in airdrops. You can get free cryptocurrency tokens through airdrops without having to deposit or spend any money. The basic concept of airdrops is that some newly launched projects would distribute their native tokens straight into people's wallets in order to get the cryptocurrency into circulation. This is in contrast to traditional pre-sale and fair launch on a cryptocurrency market. As a result, when they launch an airdrop, the initiative is not going to raise any funds. Although this may appear to be too good to be true, there are countless examples of airdrops that have grown into multi-billion-dollar ventures. Bitcoin Cash is a prime example of this. When this digital currency was first introduced in 2017, it distributed BCH tokens to all wallet addresses that were holding Bitcoin at the time. This was done on a 1:1 scale, which means that for every Bitcoin you possessed, you received 1 Bitcoin Cash. Another example is the famous cryptocurrency Stellar, which has distributed millions of dollars in Lumens tokens since its launch in 2014. When receiving an airdrop token, though, you must use caution. This is because criminals frequently create and send worthless tokens to random wallet addresses so they can do a pump and dump scheme. Another method is mining. Mining in a nutshell refers to the process of attaching specialized hardware to a desktop device, which then connects to the blockchain of a corresponding cryptocurrency. The premise is that miners allow the network to operate in a decentralized manner. This is due to the fact that when mining equipment solves complex mathematical equations, transactions are validated. In exchange for this, miners receive newly generated cryptocurrency tokens that enter circulation, and each block is verified. In the case of Bitcoin, for example, a new block is created every 10 minutes, yielding an additional 6.25 BTC. This 6.25 BTC is paid to the miner who successfully solved the equation for the corresponding block. Although this appears to be a substantial number of money, Bitcoin mining requires an incredible amount of electricity due to complexity of each mathematical equation. Furthermore, the amount of specialized hardware necessary to have a chance of mining a new Bitcoin block is significant in economic terms. Having said that, there are numerous other cryptocurrency projects that require miners, and in many cases, competition is scarce. Finally, you must verify that the mining benefits you obtain are greater than the amount you invest in buying the various computer hardware needed. The next method is by playing play-to-earn games. When considering how to generate money with cryptocurrency, you may be surprised to hear that you can do so by playing games. At the moment, the marketplace for play-to-earn crypto games is currently worth billions of dollars. There are numerous variations and types of video games in the arena. However, Decentraland and Sandbox are one of the best crypto games to consider playing. Simply said, Decentraland is a metaverse that allows participants from all over the world to create virtual avatars, talk with other people, and most importantly, purchase plots of property. Once you purchased a plot of land and constructed your own real estate project, it is represented by a unique NFT. You can then sell your real estate NFT on the open market. Although this may appear to be far-fetched as an idea, certain parcels of land in Decentraland metaverse have sold for millions of dollars. This means that if you invest early, you'll be able to get an NFT at the greatest potential price. The next method we're going to talk about is staking and interest. Staking is the process of locking your tokens for a set period of time in order to help authenticate transactions on proof-of-stake blockchain networks. Cardano, Tron, and Ethereum are examples of top staking networks. Importantly, you will earn interest on your tokens for the duration of time in which they're locked away. An interest account is another concept to consider when learning how to make money with cryptocurrencies passively. In their most basic form, crypto interest accounts function similarly to traditional banks. This is because you will be paid interest for depositing your cryptocurrency tokens. Unlike staking, however, your crypto tokens will not be transferred into a smart contract. On the contrary, your preferred supplier will lend your tokens to individuals in need of finances. As a result, the borrower will pay you interest for as long as the tokens are leased out. Some crypto exchanges allow you to earn as high as 7% on Bitcoin and Ethereum deposits and 12% on stablecoins such as Tether. Which of these methods will you try out? Let me know in the comments section. And that's it. This is the Wealth Whiz. We upload new money-making videos every week, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to